Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Tsunami Express membership. Okay, so basically there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription very easily, or membership we can say. Okay, so you can see there, you can select terms and conditions, like you need to provide at least 7 business days notice period before the renewal date, okay, to allow them for processing. Okay, so if you want to cancel your membership, you can cancel your membership by visiting your nearest location. Okay, and once you are the nearest location of your Tsunami Express car wash, then you can make a request like you would like to cancel your membership, and you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel, and they will ask you some details regarding your membership, and they will cancel your membership instantly. Okay, if you are not able to go at you can say like their physical location, you can do one thing also. You can also compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. In the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. In the email there is a subscription mention. You can change it by using you can like by placing like a membership option in the you can say like email. You need to mention your subscription details like your vehicle number and your license plate and all. So once your email is done, you can send the email at their email address, which is available online. You can find out their email address on their you can say like official website also. Okay, and once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription. And there is one more method by which you can cancel your subscription. That is also very easy. You can also contact with their customer support by dialing their phone number also. So these are the only options by which you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.